Everyone says India and Pakistan are enemies because of Hindu-Muslim hates. But the real war started in 1857, and it was not Hindu versus Muslim, it was all of us in the British. So today we are exposing one of the biggest lies in South Asian history. The 1857 war was not a religious war, and the partition of 1947 was not just a political split. It was the result. It was the result of a British plan to divide the United Nations. And this is not conspiracy. This is documented in real books like The Last Mughal by William Dalrymple, India After Gandhi by Ramchandra Guha, and From Plessy to Partition by Shekhar. तो आपको इन किताबों को पढ़ना चाहिए जो कि हमारी हिस्ट्री में क्या लिखा था जो हमसे छुपाया जाता है. So in 1857, when the British East India Company tried to take full control of India, both Hindus and Muslims rose up together under the leadership of Bahadur Shah Zafar, जिसे गद्दार डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया था, जिन्होंने बगावत की थी ब्रिटिश एम्पायर्स के खिलाफ जो कि वो यहाँ पे रूल करना चाहते थे. Soldiers from every background, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, fought side by side. They called it a mutiny, but history calls it the first war of independence. तारीख ने इसको पहली जंग आज़ादी का नाम दिया. हम लोग कहते हैं कि हमारी 1947 है, बट एक्चुअल जो वार थी वो 1857 थी. These people ate together, खाना एक साथ खाते थे, सोते एक साथ थे, टेंट्स इनके एक साथ थे, एक साथ इन लोगों ने एक ही लैंड के लिए लड़ा और उसको डिफेंड किया. There was no Hindu Muslims there was no Hindu in India, there was no Hindu India or Muslim Pakistan. There was only one India. The revolt was not religious. It was national. It was a united. The 1857 revolt was not religious. It was national. It was a united cry against foreign rule, and that scared the British. उनको इसी चीज़ का डर था कि कहीं एक साथ हो गए, अगर ये यूनाइटेड हो गए, अगर इनमें इत्तेफाक हो गया तो हमारा क्या होगा. उन्होंने एक गेम खेली. उन्होंने फिर एक प्लान तैयार किया जिसको कहा जाता है डिवाइड एंड रूल स्ट्रेटजी. After 1857, the British realized if Hindus and Muslims stay united, we can never rule them. So they injected poison into the system. Religious divided, separate political identities, media-driven hate, separate electorate. That led to Hindu-Muslim polarization, Congress versus Muslim League, partition in 1947. And the psychological divide जो कि उन्होंने उस वक्त की थी वो आज तक उसका हमें इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिलता है कि क्या हमारे दिल में, हमारी सोच में, हमारी रगों में दुश्मनी भर चुकी है कि हम एक दूसरे के खून के प्यासे हैं. ना हिंदू, ना इंडिया और पाकिस्तान जो कि एक ही ज़मीन से, एक ही मट्टी के बने से आज एक दूसरे के दुश्मन है. So next time someone says India and Pakistan are enemies because of religion, remember this. This hate was never ours. It was planted and we are still watering it. In 1857, the enemy was white. अंग्रेज़ था, ब्रिटिश था.